Okay, we got the jack stand here. Another jack point on the frame of the vehicle. Anywhere along that frame rail, you can jack. But just came to the front and jacked up. So I can remove the jack and we're secure here. We're out of our way from working. And yeah, let's lube up some of these parts that gotta come off. Let's get the wheel off. Axle nut, 32 millimeter, 19 millimeter, 17 millimeter. Leave it in. 19 millimeter, 17 millimeter socket. Get in there real good. Get the back part. How's it coming out? There's a chance of it leaking transmission fluid when you remove the axle, so have a catch pan under the vehicle. Also, it's important, I believe, to do a side-by-side comparison with the old axle and the new axle. Make sure you were sent the right axle, because I've seen many times when the wrong axle was shipped out to me. So check your parts. Make sure the axle is seated in properly. If you're having problems with getting the axle to seat in properly in the transmission, take a small hammer. Take a hammer and just tap it here along the axle lightly, and it's gonna pop right in place. It's that snap ring that holds it in place. It's around the bottom of that shaft, just before the splines. Here's the snap ring. That's what allows it to not go in without some kind of play. You have to wiggle it or finagle it in. And just tap it with a hammer and it'll fall right in place. Watch me with the spin, in case I gotta spin it. You see it? Okay, put the vehicle back in park. Torque specs: 134 foot-pounds for the axle nut, 116 foot-pounds for this knuckle right here off the strut, the lower strut bolts. 116 foot-pounds, 134 foot-pounds. All right, guys, it's a wrap for this side. We're gonna do the other side in a couple days, but this side was awful. The other side is fine. We got a deal on both axles, so we might as well replace both of them. I'll replace the other side, so look for that video soon. I'll replace it maybe in a few days, but this was the main side. It was bad. We're done. It should drive back good, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like this content I'm posting, guys, subscribe to the channel, the notification bell. You guys can notify when I upload the content. Champs, I'm out.